Hey guys, what's up? This is Caleb with Black Pearl Media. Thank you so much for stopping by. And in today's video, we're going racing. Alright guys, so we're here for the event and I'm about to go ahead and get registered and get my numbers and figure out what numbers are going to be approved for the car, because they give you a couple of options to see if they're available, so we'll see if we get what we want. So she's all cleaned out, and there's a lot of stuff in that car. Carpets, spare wheel. I probably just took out about 100 pounds worth of stuff, so that should help out. But we got to go to the driver's meeting, so let's get over there. So we got our wanted numbers, which is 495. Sonia said she'd really like those numbers to be on the car, and they were available. So it's really exciting. So the track itself is actually pretty confusing. So the game plan is to go very slow, work out the course, and then go for the faster times a little later in the day. So we'll see how this goes. Let's see if I even fit with a helmet on. All right. First trip out in the G35.
Bluetooth disconnect. Bluetooth?
Yeah, quiet. All right, so I don't know if you guys can hear me at all, but I will try and talk through this. GoPro's close to my mouth, but I don't know if the audio is going to come through very well. The course itself is pretty confusing, so these first laps are definitely going to be slower to try and figure out the course a bit. So we'll see how this goes. We're supposed to be getting a lot of laps today, something like 12 laps, which is great. The way that cart does this is they have one first lap, and then you come through, and then you come and do a hot lap. So you can do it twice every single time you go up to the start. All right, I'm gonna go up here into the first lane. Hey guys, hey. How's it going? Woohoo!
There you go. Hold on. You can ride with him? Sorry.
No, you're good. You trying to get more eyes on the course?
This is complicated. I just barely figured out where I'm going, so you might want to go slow.
I'm gonna go really slow.
Okay.
All right, cool.
All set?
Good.
Rock.
All right, so you get the slalom, right?
Yep. So we're gonna go slalom first, outside, then inside. So outside, inside.
That guy should be on.
Yeah, he should be on the freaking grass.
The
Yep.
cargo box. Yep.
Yep.
Next gate.
So we're going
Next
here.
Now, when you come around this, you keep turning left.
Right. So left,
Turn left.
left. I'm gonna go this way and the right,
Right.
and then around here. So nice and smooth all the way around, and then back through the gate here. Yeah, and then we're gonna go straight. So we're gonna look at that pointer cone here, right?
Yep. Through
This outer gate. We're looking at this cone here.
gate. Yep.
And clean, right?
Yeah. Good.
There's the line. To the line.
If you hit mid-30, you're going to be doing really good today.
All right. I don't even know what that was.
About 50.0.
Okay. So that one was a 50.0, but we're gonna do it a little bit faster this time.
Go ahead.
All right, thank you, sir.
I'll let you take over. Here
Yeah.
we go.
Oh my, this thing rolls, baby.
Yep.
Nice and smooth, nice and smooth.
$38.5.
38.5, all right. It's what, 12 seconds? That's not bad. All right, cool.
You can carry more speed, a lot more speed through that Chicago box at the end of the slalom.
Yeah, I bet. I just wanted to go at it very nice and timid first, just to kind of test it out, see how the body roll was at the. But yeah, no, that definitely gained some confidence. Steve's going out. We're going out as well. This is lap 3 and 4. So we're gonna give this a shot. See if we can get some more time off our score. Okay.
That was a
36.086. That's another 2 seconds down. That's awesome. So we'll continue that. We'll try and get that a little bit better.
That was a 35.2.
Jeez. 35.269. That was great. Did you see that? So I went from a 50 to a 35.6.
Well, I heard it before I saw it.
I bet you did. Dude, I was going all sorts of crazy. I was like, oh my gosh. There's Jacob driving. Jesus Murphy, dude. Holy cow. Alright, easy. There you go.
See, it's fun. Every ride in this car is fun.
Everything okay? No. I got that on camera. We're going for lap 11 and 12, and they reversed the course, so we got Steve here. So I'll pass this over to Steve. First lap is going to be so slow because I want to figure out the course because they reversed it. So we'll do the first one slow and the second one will really rip. Sound good?
Sounds good to me.
Thanks. All Yep, you got it. Yep. Is that cool? Perfect. Outside Chicago box. Alright, that was the slow one. There we go, 34.89. Not bad for a reversal. We got a 34 for this car and this setup. That's not that bad. Woohoo! But I'm gonna change the battery and we're gonna go with Steve. And he's gonna rock the reversal course and see how he does. The first one's slow and then it'll help guide you. The second one you can rip it. Alright. So I'm gonna turn into this gate. Now that gate. Go outside of this one, through that gate, and then go right. Yeah, right. See there? There's two gates, right here, and then right there. Now slow down, because you're gonna go really sharp right. Keep going, turn. Through this one, then over. Now right, through the gate, straight California box, or Chicago box, and straight through. Not bad. 35.2. Not bad. All right, you want me to call it out or no? I'll be quiet if you want me to.
Calling it. I like how you do the rally navigator thing. Makes
All right.
me happy.
Hey Steve, was that the first clean run you had all day?
I hate you guys.
Okay. Go for it, buddy. All right, straight through. You're going left through here to this one here. All right, you're gonna go right through the gate, and then go right. Straight through. There's two gates. This one and that one. Slow down. All right, you're off course. That's all right. Learn this section here, and then out. Now through the box. There you go. Straight through. All right. Relax. There you go. Finish her off. Holy I'm gonna take Steve's car for a rip and see if I can control it. I don't know if I can. Let's see how this goes. Let's see if we can get the fastest times of the day. All right, I'm the very last one on course too. Boop. All right, I made 32s. I broke the 32s. 32s. Oh well, I got a 32.9. That one was a 33.6. Not my fastest, but 32 was my fastest.
For the C3 class, and one car, one trophy, still special. It is triumphant return driving a street car. Caleb with a total time of 64.7. I've never had one before. Race yourself.
All right, guys, so today was an awesome day. We actually won our class, which is awesome because I've never ever won a class, but due to the class that I was in, I don't know if there was like nobody in it or I think there was at least one or two other people, but super stoked to get this. I think it's a really cool kind of cherry on top of the Sunday for the day. The car performed really well. We did 20 laps, and I mean, it was just an astronomical amount of laps, and the car handled it really well. There's a lot more in this car for sure, but we whittled it down from a 52nd first lap down to a 33.3. So actually no, we got in the 32, so 32.9. So thank you guys so much for sticking around. Thank you for the support, and like the video, comment, and subscribe.